Hey, Darksteel here, coming to you from inside my office here in Rowanwood. If you're not sure what Rowanwood is, be sure and check us out at rowanwoodart.com. Today I'm going to be continuing a project that I started in a video called Tower Game Knife Handle, in which I created this knife right here, this dagger. And if you've seen the video, then you know that this is made out of a dollar store tower game. And if you haven't seen the video, you should go check it out, and this will be the one continuing that one. I'm going to be making a scabbard for this knife out of the same material, which is that dollar store tower game. And so that should complete the whole project, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, the next step in our process here will be sanding off the excess glue. So I'm going to use this to make hopefully a flat surface because I need a certain level of accuracy here. I don't want to mess up the blocks because the next part it's going to require a lot of precision. I do the same thing to this piece because these pieces are going to match up and I need them to set, see there's little gaps in there and I need them to set pretty flat against each other. Okay, and now that I've got them all lined up where they'll lay flat on each other, I'm going to go ahead and lay my blade down on there. Try to get it as close to lined up as I can. Okay. Okay, now I know exactly how big to make the hole, but I'm actually going to go a little bit bigger because the way that tends to work out is if you go precise, I know that I'm already on the outside of the blade here, but if I go absolutely precise, something's going to end up being too snug. So I'm going to go a little bit bigger than that. Okay, we got this, and that's pretty much smoothed out. I'm almost there. It's a pretty good fit. There's a little bit of a gap, so I wanted to do kind of a washer. So I went and cut a piece off of a belt and cut a slot in it that's the right size to fit the dagger. Okay, now I'm going to spread this over the top of my scabbard, making sure to cover the whole thing everywhere where I want it to be glued. This is a quick setting epoxy. And now I'm going to match up the leather. I thought I'd do these. You can pick these up at Walmart. They are just little charms. And I thought I'd do one of these as an inlay into that scabbard. I thought it'd look kind of cool. Okay, and now we leave this big gluey mess to sit and dry. And then we'll continue later. I had a little bit of a problem. Some of the leather started to peel up a little bit. And so I went ahead and reapplied glue, and that means I'll have to do a little bit more sanding in a little bit and clean some of that glue off whenever that dries. But I'm going to give this a good long while to dry this time. And now that I got the inlay set in place and leathered on there, and I got it all sanded down, that's going to basically be what it's going to end up looking like. I'm going to finish up by putting a coat of liquid wax gloss by Plaster Paint over the whole thing, including the knife handle, and this should really make it pop. If you're interested in plaster paint products, you can find a whole assortment of them on our website at rowanwoodart.com. And there's the whole project. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put some pictures up here and so you can see it up close. It's got a very nice shine to it now that it's got the liquid wax on it, and it, if you buff the liquid wax, it actually turns out pretty smooth. I hope that it comes across well in the pictures, but up close and personal, it's a very pretty knife, if I may say so myself. I'm very happy with the decision to put the leather around the top of it. It's snugged it up so that it fits a little better, but also it, you know, just added to the overall look. So anyway, be sure and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching.